Functionality of clipping box. This function is particularly useful when working with point clouds from building scanned objects from outside and inside the building. The clipping box is called from the window menu. Like other windows, it can be docked on the sides of the main window or placed on the screen. The clipping box window contains the following functions. View ID. Here it's possible to define the view where the cut point cloud will be shown. Enable clipping box. This causes points to be cut off within a defined box. Left, right, front, back, top, bottom. Here it's possible to determine the position of the planes of the clipping box by entering the desired values. Rotate. Here's the rotation of the spatial cube in relation to the vertical axis can be determined. Edit. By clicking this option, the user enters the box definition mode. Reset restores the box to its original size. Push moves the box along its short side. Min size. With this is possible to define the minimum length of the side of the clipping box. When trying to define a cube, locking is done on a given side length. To define a clipping box, enter Edit and click the left mouse button on the highlighted wall to be moved. In this way, it's possible to cut out unnecessary information from the point cloud or delete a wall covering the interior of the building. After the cutout, a cloud can be observed as if without the clipping box. After defining the rotation, the area can be cut out at a given angle, which in some cases can help browse the clouds.